Diversity 2, Part 5, on how to design a sports coat from scratch. We're going to iron it out, make it flat. That's how we're looking at the top. Carry that for the collar. Arms are going to go there. Sleeves. Just going to make this flat. Some sleeves. Okay, we have here the left and right sleeve. And as you can see at the end of the cuff, light coat of felt. Look like this felt may have been ironed on felt. What it looks like to me. So I thought it was one whole fabric. It looked like, but this has been ironed on. However, we have the left and right sleeve here. This is my left sleeve. I already have it marked, and this is the one that off the jacket that I disassembled here. It's where it folds under. And we got the little buttons in the back. But this will go on the left. No, I'm sorry, hold on. This one, yeah, on the left arm. So I went ahead and I connected that, sewn both pieces together. They're looking like this before sewn together. Let me get this out the way. Look like these two pieces before sewn together. And I have the top of the fabric that I'm going to be showing facing down. So I got this right. But the bottom of the sleeve, the top fabric is facing down. Top of the sleeve, the top fabric is facing up. And just want to line up the two curves here. So we're going to stitch it this way. I'm going to open it up, grab these two corners, flip them over. So when you flip this over, both outsides should be in, and both the inside should be out. So when you sew it, and when you sew both ends, you're gonna turn the inside out, and it should be like it's supposed to be. In other words, it's gonna look like this when you're done. One whole sleeve here. I already went and folded that and ironed it and let it out here. Should look like that. I just went and folded that in and took my iron and pressed the whole thing down. Now to get it to curve at the bottom, as you notice here, get it facing the right way. It's just a little wide here. Just a little wide here. So where the button goes, there's going to be a slit cut there. And I'm going to open it up, iron it, sew it. It's going to go in like that. And you can adjust it accordingly. In here, I have the left side front panel laid out here. And this is where I connected the inside of the lapel and got that sewn together, got it ironed. Now inside of this lapel you can have a choice of taking some felt and to fill that in before you actually attach this to the front panel. This piece here that was attached to the front panel, the back side of the lapel, you would put this on first. Put your felt on first and sew this along the line here. It would be inside the lapel like that, not seen. You can also trim it down so it doesn't stick out, but it's not going to be seen if you sew it inside of here. I decided to leave that off. Try something different here. But what I did do, I went ahead and sewed the inside of the lapel on. I took my ironed it out, and this is how it's going to, once you take your iron and flip it over, it should look like this. You have your flat folded back and iron. Turn it this way. This is the front panel of on the left chest. All I did was attach the back of the lapel panel, sewed it together, and took my iron and just flipped it back, and there you have your lapel ready to go. Got my curve going there. Everything's lined up. Now what I want to do now is take this is the two back panels sewn together. I decided not to go that route, so I'm going to detach them. I didn't sew it really tight, so it may just come loose, but if not, have your little picker ready to pop the thread. It's a little cheap thread popper, so it should come right out. I think I made a knot down. This is like it's coming right out. Might run into a knot when I backed up the machine, but it came right off. Back panel. Make sure that's backwards. So it's not this side. It has to be this side here. Okay. Now this side to my left is going to be going down my back, so this is the side I want it sewn on. I gotta make sure I got both panels facing inside out and attach it from here like that. Just like that. And just stitch straight on up. Then we're going to iron it out and you'll see what I mean. Then we're going to attach the arm. I'm attaching my back panel to the left front panel now. Just want to take it, connect it, we have it inside out, and I'm going to start, I think I'm going to start at the bottom, so I'm just going to flip it around, just attach it here, change this bobbin. This is where I sewed the panel on here. The back panel for the left side. Gonna flip it back over and take our iron. Get some steam going on here if it wants to. We can adjust it there with this one machine. Just get rid of that loop and overlap. Take this and bring it around. See where this connects. Slide that over some. And my hat might be up here. And this is the left front panel going across the chest. And the armhole is here. And this is the sleeve. And I believe I have the wrong, or do I? Yeah, I need the right sleeve for this side. It says left, what do I have? Well, the sleeve may be right, but we have the other sleeve here. Let's see, we have the right side sleeve. Again, this is the outer portion of the sleeve. And to sew it together, we need to take, this is the top portion, the bottom portion. No, I'm sorry. The top portion, this is the bottom portion. To sew these together, we're going to take and flip this over. Now we have both insides shown. We're going to line up the curves here. And just connect both these lines. We're just going to stop here. This is where it's going to connect to the jacket. It's going to connect all of this.